Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The real enjoyer and sufferer is the soul, not this body. When the soul is out of this body, the body is no more enjoyer or sufferer. It is a lump on that. The sense of enjoyment and suffering is there so long the soul is there. Therefore the soul is important. And if you can study the soul, then you can understand what is God.
How do you know there's a soul?
Because you are speaking. Because you are inquiring, I know the soul. Because you are soul, therefore you are inquiring. As soon as the soul is out of your body, you cannot inquire. Inquiry finished.
Can one say that soul and life is identical? Can one say that soul and life are identical?
Yeah. Identical. Life is the symptom of the soul. Because the soul is there, therefore life is there. And as soon as the soul is not there, there is no more life. There is sun in the sky, the light is there. Sunshine. When the sun is set, there is no more light, it is dark.
Is the body then to be resisted? Is the body to be disciplined, to be resisted, to be ignored? Is that what you're suggesting?
Ignored.
How to treat the body?
How do you treat the body?
Make the best use of a bad bargain. It is a bad bargain. But we have to utilize it.
When you say then that everything is a part of God, you make an exception of the body.
Yeah.
The body is not divine.
No, he's saying that when we say everything is part of God, the body,
is
an
also.
exception. He says the body then is an exception. The
No.
body is not part of God?
No, why? Body is
That's what
also
I said.
part.
Yes, the
that's
body
what-
is also part.
Yeah, that's it. I was.
Maya Shakti.
I see.
Yes, it is another energy.
I see.
Inferior energy.
Inferior energy.
Everything is God's energy. The body is also God's energy. The best use of the body is God's energy should be utilized for God. Then it is body spiritualized. Body is also God's energy. And if it is engaged in God's service, then the body is no more bad bargain. It is a good bargain. If the tenant thinks that this apartment is mine, I am owner, then he is wrong. If he knows perfectly well that it belongs to the landlord, I have given for use, then it is.
Srila Prabhupada and the tenant can be easily evicted.
Yes. Evicted. At that time he knows the owner. When he's kicked out. That is stated also in the Bhagavad-gita. Mrityu sarva harastra. Those who are not believing in God, to them God will come one day as death. Now believe me. Get out. Finish. All your pride finish. Your pride, your property, your family, your bank balance, your skyscraper building, all taken out. Yes, finish. Go out. This is God. Now understand God? To believe or not believe, God will come one day. He'll take you, take your everything and get out. That is God. You believe or not believe, it doesn't matter. The same example, the tenant may not believe the landlord, but when the landlord will come with court's order, get out, then you have to go. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Those who are not believer in God, to them I come as death and take away everything. Finish. That one has to believe. Yes, as sure as death. Then God is sure. You may challenge, so long you have got little life for a few years. But God will come and drive you away from your present right, prestigious position. Get out. So unless one is madman, he cannot say there is no God. Anyone who denies the existence of God, he is a madman.
Prabhupada, wouldn't it be better to say he's blind, he's stupid?
Yes, the something. The mad is the sum total of all stupidity. When I say mad, it is the sum total of all kinds of stupidity. Now you can give them prasadam. I think we have occupied that time.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.